Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. Today I will be making braised chicken in soy sauce. The chicken will be very juicy and tender, including the chicken breast. Here I used a half chicken. First I used a toothpick to poke holes on the chicken. This will help with the marinating process. I then rubbed 5 grams of salt onto the chicken. Please make sure you don't miss any spot. Just massage the chicken and rub in all the salt. Inside and out. I then made the sauce. The exact ingredients and measurements can be found down below in the description box. Here I poured half of the sauce to marinate the chicken overnight. If you don't have 12 hours, please make sure you marinate the chicken for at least 2 hours. Just distribute the sauce evenly onto the chicken. I then covered it with a plate and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. Until the next day, I turned on the heat to medium and used a tablespoon of oil. I waited for 20 to 30 seconds for the pan to warm up. Then I added garlic, green onion, ginger slices, and yellow onions, and sauteed all the ingredients for them to release their fragrance. Here you can use red onions too. I then put the chicken in, skin side down. I pan-fried it for 3 minutes. Then I flip the chicken over to pan-fry the other side for another 3 minutes. Then I poured all the sauce into the pan, and remember I only used half of the sauce to marinate the chicken, so here is the other half. Then I covered the pan with a lid and let it stew for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I flipped over the chicken to stew the other side. The heat is still at medium here. After 30 minutes in total for the stewing process, here is the chicken. And now I started the basting process. This is the basting technique. It will give the chicken more color and also make the chicken meat juicier. The basting process took me about 5 minutes, and you can see the juice becomes more concentrated. And now it's done. There are many ways to eat braised chicken. One of my favorite ways is to make cold noodles with chicken shreds. Here I used spaghetti, chili oil, chicken shreds, cucumbers, and garlic water. The recipe for garlic water is listed down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Bye.